ACCA F2, which is also called MA, Management Accounting. This usually is the second paper which students should attempt from their ACCA qualification. The first paper they should pass F3, then they should come to M2, which is called Management Accounting. So management accounting, actually, sometimes students, they misinterpret cost accounting and management accounting as same thing. Management accounting is actually a rather bigger thing. Cost accounting is only one part of management accounting. In your paper ACCA F2, cost accounting, definitely it has a bigger role. My name is Syed Muhammad Ali. I'm an accounting and finance professional. I have over 20 years of working experience in accounting and finance. At the same time, I've been teaching ACCA since 2007, so it is almost 15 years now. F2 is a very interesting exam. By the way, the name says management accounting. So a lot of students, they think like debits and credits and income statement and balance sheets. These are things are not there. So you are not going to use debit credit knowledge here. Although it is accounting, but it is management accounting. It is for internal reporting. We focus on costing a product, costing a department, and costing the entire business. So costing is one thing, profit planning is there, forecasting is there, performance analysis is there, budgeting is there, variances are there. So these are quite different things than what you have a perception of financial accounting, like income statement, balance sheet, debit, credit. That stuff is not here. This is very interesting, by the way. Management accounting, it is a little bit challenging because you need to think a lot and you need to use your own judgment and your intelligence. Like in financial accounting, there are strict rules to follow. But in management accounting, it's a different thing. Because you have to be more creative, you have to be more analytical in doing the questions. Syllabus is quite long, actually quite long. It is longer than your ACCA F3 syllabus. You've got forecasting, costing, budgeting, investment appraisal, performance measurement, performance analysis, and so on. So syllabus is quite long. And of course, this paper is going to be tougher than your ACCA F3 exam. But in any case, like with most other ACCA exam papers, you can finish this syllabus in 3 months with an effort of 2 to 3 months per day. So if you are spending 2 to 3 hours per day, you can finish this paper very easily with very good score in 3 months or less, or even less than 3 months. Exam again is a computer-based exam. We call it CBE on demand. You can arrange your exam date whenever you feel that you are finished with the preparation and you're ready for exam. You can book exam, go there. 50 questions are going to be there in MCQs. So 35 actually MCQs of 2 marks each, which makes it 70 marks. And then you have 2 long questions of 50 marks each, which makes 30 marks. So 70 plus 30 makes it 100. 50% is your pass marks. You must score 50%, and of course you should score 50%. These 2 15 marks long questions are scenario question. You get one scenario, and based on that scenario, there are further short questions within that which you have to follow. Now, what do you get with our course on ACCA F2 exam preparation? Actually, literally, you get everything to pass this exam. You get very detailed syllabus lectures based on BPP, Learning Media Study Text. You get quite a lot of practice question videos from BPP Study Kit, which I have done the question videos. I have explained to you how to solve a question, how to read a question, how to extract data, and quickly finish it, because you are always time short in exam. Then I've uploaded my PDF notes, my short notes, my summaries are there, my Excel files are there, which you can download, on which I've done the questions and the templates, etc. You can download. So literally whatever you need to pass, prepare and pass this exam is available. Now, what else is available at Vertex platform is that you get a day-by-day study plan, which means that day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, we have mentioned that which video lecture you should watch, which pages from the study text you should read, which question videos you should watch, and which questions you should go and do attempt by yourself on from your practice kit. So this is study plan. Then you get online quizzes for every chapter, and over and above, you are added to the WhatsApp group. So WhatsApp groups are very active. All of the students are there, and whenever you feel that you have some query, you have some doubt, You can write down in the WhatsApp group, you can ask the question, I will respond or my team will respond. Actually, I'm also in all of the groups, but we do have some other academic team members as well. So everybody is there willing to help you to hold your hand from the beginning to the end. So there is no doubt that if you start a course and if you are giving 2 hours or 3 hours per day, absolutely there is no doubt that you cannot score good. Actually, if you see on our website, you would see that for our ACCA F2 course, we have so many students scoring 85 plus, 89 plus, even 90 plus, which is a really very good score, because F2 is a challenging exam. If you're scoring 80 plus in ACCA F2, that really means something. So anything and everything which you need to pass the exam, from day one until your exam day, all the content is available and support is available. That is all what we can provide, by the way, actually. Other than that, I wish you good luck, and good luck for your ACCA journey. So do watch the demo videos, see the course content which is given on the course page, and see you soon in the group. Thank you very much for watching.